Welcome to Technia TV. I am Shalini Guliani, Assistant Professor BA JMC Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Features of Social Media. It is important to know the basic of what makes a successful social media app. What features are users looking for? What do the big social media platforms have in common? While this is the answer is not entirely straightforward and can only be answered by individual experimenting, it still holds that the successful social media app of today have some basic features that app developers need to adopt in building their social media apps. Number 1 is ease of connectivity. The entire point of social media is a way to bring internet user together. Before the invention of the concept, the internet was just one vast planet of sorts that everyone navigated alone. Of course, our innate human need for connection found this to be extremely uncomfortable and ever since have discovered new ways to create convenient and quick connectivity between users. Social media allows you to keep in touch with friends, families and idols all over the world. Number 2 is ability to extensively customize individual profiles. One significant advancement experts have come to observe in social media is the gradual ability for users to create customized profile in order to stand out. Once upon a time, chat rooms allowed users to use avatars in their image displays. Today, apps allows and expect you to use an image of yourself and their platform. In addition, users now have the ability to upload or videos and photos of their personal lives, where they have been, what they ate, or who they are with. Of course, the latest in the trend is live videos. Facebook Live, Instagram Live, Snapchat and Twitter Periscope allows user to give live updates of what they are doing. It seems the more ability users have to customize their social media pages, the happier they are. Number 3 is ability to expand user following. This is one of the primary reason Instagram has experienced so much success with its app. Instagram gives you the easiest access to millions of people all over the world. As a result, it is easy to build a following on platform and anyone can get better thousands of fans in relatively short period of time. Mobile app developers should take a cue or two from Instagram and make it as simple as possible for users to find following on their platform, at least at the beginning. This will not only enhance the social image of the app but also encourage users to post content which keep the app relevant. Number 4 is choosing the right platform. Mobile app developers know have the option of launching their app on several popular platforms such as Windows, iOS, Android and more. It is not exactly advisable to launch on all platforms, particularly in the beginning stage of your app development. Choose a platform that support your features best, especially one that afford the best interactive medium for your social media app. Also choose the platform that support your various devices so as to enhance the performance of the app. Number 5 is easy integration with other social media platforms. For your social media app to quickly become popular, it is important to integrate it with other top social apps like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Outbound sharing not only increase the popularity of your app but also grow users organically and drive adoption. In addition to this, users should be able to directly invite their friends to use personal messaging channels like Facebook, WhatsApp, SMS, email, and more. Deferred deep linking should also be used to develop personalized experience for each invitee. Number 6 is privacy and security. As much as social media revolve around interaction, without the proper level of privacy and security lines can be crossed. People can end up losing their personal information to other users with the wrong innovatives. As such, advanced level of privacy and security must be provided to keep users' trust. Any breach in this can completely destroy the reputation of social media apps, especially at the beginning stage. Therefore, using the best method for maintaining security is highly essential. Number 7 is notification and news feed. Any successful social media app must have the ability to compress all of its users' many activities into a single view, allow easy discovery of other users' content, and must be powerful relation. As for newsfeed, it is important for any social media app to generate a constant flow of relevant content, including photos, videos, and articles to enhance the discovery of interaction between users. There are several other important features that its social media app must have. A great example is adequate user support and constant updates. Updating the app will fix bugs and give users advanced features that will keep their interest long term. Users should be able to post reviews, update their status, share various forms of content, leave comments, suggestions, and feedback like or dislike content. Provide powerful visual and creative tools. User make the rule when it comes to what it is shared or recommended online. So it's wise that social networking site provide the tool to encourage required user behavior. For example, users tend to spend more time on sites that encourage some creative activity. If that activity produces a visual result and opinion to share, the users will be able to share it with a friend. Instagram allows more visuals than all other platforms, with users sharing full-size landscape and portrait photos that may fill the whole of the viewer's screen. This gives more content visibility, increase in user engagement and sharing, which is no surprise seeing the immense growth recorded by the platform even before it was acquired by the Facebook. Push notification is a must-have. Creating a social media site that goes viral requires keeping users updated on the activities happening in their network. You never know which notification about something it user cares about will trigger an engaging discussion with the potential to go viral. Push notification provide real-time access to content on devices, especially mobile, encourage return visits and more on-site activities, which are useful metrics for growth of social media sites and any other site for that matter. Create the setup with shareability in mind. Building in successful social network require that the end is considered right from the beginning. All functionalities must be planned according to the user behavior anticipated. A social network setup to go viral will therefore have to consider shareability right from the beginning. The site setup should include layout that allow users to easily access, interact, and share content. Features such as sharing buttons, call to actions, tagging, image size, and site layout can encourage sharing among groups and help position content in place where they are more visible. The better user interface, the easier it is for user to navigate through the site and access more useful content which increase user engagement and shareability. That's all in this lecture. Keep watching Technia TV.